Hey, if you wonder if you can use a wired mouse with your Realme 11 5G, for sure you can do this. But first, on your phone, you will have to enable the OTG connection. So open the settings and click on the search pool and type OTG. Select the OTG connection and now turn it on by clicking on this switcher just like this. Next, you'll have to find something like this adapter if you don't have the USB-C cable on your mouse. So what I mean, let me show you. Here is the cable of my mouse. As you can see, that's the USB end. So I have to use this adapter. But if you have the USB-C cable right here, USB end, you can plug it straight into your phone. So it looks like this in my case. I have to connect it right here and then plug it into the USB-C port. And now, and right now, just take a look. I'm moving my mouse and it is working. I can simply click and navigate on my phone, and with the wheel I can actually change the screen, the home screen, and I can also open this notification panel, so everything works fine without any issues. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.